Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader.
Alright, hey traders, John Howell here. Gonna make this really quick, guys. Something that really, over my last 12 years I've been involved with the markets now. And about 11-12 years I've been involved with the markets now. I have personally seen time and time again that obviously, you know, sometimes when you're trading, right, you put a trade on, you're like, oh, I'm doing my trading, I put a trade on, and you're like, man, I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I put that trade on. I knew I wasn't in the right place. I wasn't in the right headspace. It was a mistake. You know, and you might have done just a completely different trade. You know what I mean? If you've been trading for a while now, you've probably been there many times, right? We like, man, I just knew I shouldn't have put on that trade, and I knew I wasn't in the right headspace and stuff like that. Something about me was telling me not to put that trade on. Well, I think Dr. Wayne Dwyer, he actually said, when you trust in the gut, you trust in the wisdom that created you. And that's so true when actually trading. So one thing I do, guys, is, and the reason I'm talking about this is because it actually happened this morning. A lot of traders actually have problems, when understanding this. Mindset is a big factor in trading. Now, mindset is this as well as a lot of things. This morning when I got up, I was really tired. Now I trade the US market. I live here in Australia. I trade the US market. And so I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so I trade the US market. Between 4 and 5 I'm up. Market closes at 6. It gives me a good hour and a half, hour to 2 hours worth of trading altogether. Now, I got up this morning. I felt really tired. It's been a long week for me. And my head was foggy. And I saw a couple of trades I was about to put on. And something about me was saying, don't put any trades on today, John. You're tired, your head's foggy, you're not thinking clearly right now, so don't put any trades on. And so I didn't put any trades on. I didn't touch any trades. I just monitored the positions that I'm in right now, and all the different positions I'm in right now, and that's all I did. So what I'm trying to encourage you guys to do is do the same thing, because it's all these little mistakes you make out through the year which makes your results not as good as what they should be. Makes sense? So when you're trading, you got to monitor yourself, and that's part of the mindset, is monitoring yourself. Instead of saying, you know, a lot of people are thinking from the head, from the ego, right? It's like, oh, I've got to put this trade on because I'm going to miss out on this trade and I've got to do it. You got to think, am I in the right place? And by being in that calm, collected place, with inside yourself, and being 100% focused, not tired, but being 100% focused, and by also being committed and being dedicated to your trading, and having a clear mind and also a good energy. That's what you need to have to be a good trader. So whenever you're trading, if you're going to place a trade, you need to be analyzing. You need to be analyzing, where are you at? Are you, again, like this morning when I was trading, I was in a situation when I was trading this morning, I was tired. I was also very foggy, so I didn't put any trades on. As you know, right, if you're 100% focused and 100% there with the markets, you're likely to make less mistakes. If a lot of things is happening in your life and you're very foggy and there's lots of things going on in your mind, and you're not 100% focused, that's where a lot of mistakes is likely to happen. So my encouragement to you guys is always analyze yourself. Where are you at before you put the trade on? Because I promise you, if you start to do that, you start to put less trades on, and those less trades you put on will actually be less bad trades, less mistake trades. And then in a result, that has helped me so many years now get better and better at trading, when actually placing these trades and putting trades on. And the thing is, guys, is the reason why we want to place a trade today is because we think, oh, you know, we have this sort of mentality that, oh, this is the best trade, we're never going to get a good trade like this. The couple of trades I've got to put on this morning, there's going to be a couple of trades like that, you know, next week. right? And the week after, there's going to be plenty more trades. So I didn't put any trades on today. And guess what? Next week, the market's still going to be here. There's still going to be plenty more trades, and I'm still going to put some trades on. Make sense? So that's my encouragement to you guys. You know, I've been belted around and smacked around like a bitch with this market. And not recently. Like in my early, about 10 years ago, I spent 2 or 3 years getting smacked around $250,000 in debt to try to figure this shit out. And then I got going. And obviously made mistakes, made some mistakes along the way. But these are the most important things that helps me stay on top of my game when it comes to trading. And one of them is analyzing myself. And if I'm not 100% clear, focused, and there with the charts, if I'm not like that, then I shouldn't be placing any trades because mistakes are likely to happen.
Hey, it's John Howell here, and thanks so much for watching my video. You see, I'm putting out daily videos and education on helping you learning the art of successful trading. So click on the subscribe button to keep up to date with every video I do. Also, check out my story video, $250,000 in debt, cancer, overweight, family passing away, lived on the streets, and more, and how I overcome it and now thriving through my life. This is here to motivate you, so click on that image to watch my video. And lastly, if you're struggling with your trading, then you need to see my latest webinar where I'm sharing with you an amazing strategy that allows you to generate an income without getting the direction right. So click on that image on this page to register for my next free webinar. This is John Howell here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.